Interconnected souls, the connection between quantum mechanics and spirituality. Thank you, my sweet God candies, and welcome to this discourse on the relationship between science and spirit. It has been a point of discussion among scientists, philosophers, and spiritual teachers. You may wish to take notes and comment and share your own point of view of this fascinating topic. Part 1: A brief explanation of quantum mechanics. The connection between quantum mechanics and spirituality is a topic of exploration and interpretation that has been discussed and debated by scientists, philosophers, and spiritual thinkers. While it is important to note that scientific and spiritual domains are distinct and operate within different frameworks, some individuals find parallels and philosophical connections between the two. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles and systems at the smallest scales, such as atoms and subatomic particles. It provides a mathematical framework to understand and predict the probabilistic nature of physical phenomena at this microscopic level. At the core of quantum mechanics is the wave-particle duality concept, which suggests that particles, like electrons and photons, exhibit both particle-like and wave-like properties. Instead of being described by definite positions and velocities, these particles are represented by mathematical entities called wave functions, which are complex valued functions that can be used to calculate the probability of finding a particle in a particular state or location. One of the fundamental principles of quantum mechanics is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which states that certain pairs of physical properties, such as position and momentum, cannot be precisely known at the same time. This inherent uncertainty is a fundamental feature of the quantum world and sets limits on the precision with which measurements can be made. Quantum mechanics also introduces the concept of superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This means that until a measurement is made, a particle can be in a combination of different states, with each state having a certain probability. Only upon measurement does the wave function collapse into a definite state. Another important aspect of quantum mechanics is entanglement, which occurs when two or more particles become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly related to the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon has been experimentally verified and is the basis for quantum information and quantum computing. Quantum mechanics has a wide range of applications, from understanding the behavior of atoms and molecules to the development of technologies such as lasers, transistors, and quantum cryptography. It is a highly successful theory that has revolutionized our understanding of the microscopic world, although its probabilistic nature and departure from classical intuition can make it conceptually challenging. Part 2: The spirit in the mechanics. One area of intersection between quantum mechanics and spirituality is the concept of interconnectedness. In quantum mechanics, the phenomenon of entanglement suggests that particles can become correlated in such a way that their states are instantaneously linked, regardless of distance. This idea resonates with the spiritual notion of interconnectedness, which suggests that all beings and phenomena in the universe are interconnected and part of a larger whole. The concept of non-locality in quantum mechanics, where particles can influence each other without direct physical contact, also aligns with the spiritual belief in a universal consciousness or collective energy. Another point of connection is the role of consciousness in quantum mechanics. The act of observation or measurement in quantum mechanics is known to influence the behavior of particles, leading to the collapse of the wave function into a specific state. Some interpretations suggest that consciousness plays a fundamental role in this process. This idea has been extrapolated to support the concept that consciousness and intention may have a significant impact on the manifestation of reality beyond the quantum realm, connecting to spiritual beliefs in the power of the mind and intention. Additionally, the indeterminacy and uncertainty inherent in quantum mechanics have been likened to the spiritual concept of embracing uncertainty and surrendering to the flow of life. Quantum mechanics challenges the deterministic worldview of classical physics, emphasizing the probabilistic nature of events and the inherent limits of knowledge. This resonates with spiritual teachings that advocate letting go of control, trusting in a higher power, and embracing the unknown. It is important to note that these connections are largely philosophical and metaphorical interpretations, and they should not be conflated with scientific principles or religious dogma. Quantum mechanics is a well-established scientific theory with rigorous mathematical foundations, while spirituality encompasses a wide range of beliefs and practices that are often subjective and open to personal interpretation. Ultimately, the connection between quantum mechanics and spirituality provides a framework for contemplation, philosophical exploration, and finding meaning beyond the physical realm. It is a subject of ongoing discussion and debate, and individuals may find inspiration, metaphorical resonance, or personal insights by exploring the parallels between these domains. Part 3: Quantum Consciousness. Within the realm of quantum mechanics, there exists a fascinating exploration of the potential influence of consciousness on the fabric of reality. While the precise nature of this connection is still a subject of scientific and philosophical inquiry, certain interpretations suggest that consciousness may have the power to bend quantum reality. The act of observation or measurement in quantum experiments is known to affect the behavior of particles, causing the collapse of their wave functions into specific states. This intriguing phenomenon has led some to speculate that consciousness, as the observer, plays a crucial role in this process. It is proposed that the focused attention and intention of conscious beings can interact with the quantum realm, influencing the probabilities and outcomes of quantum events. This perspective invites contemplation on the profound relationship between consciousness and quantum mechanics, suggesting that the spirit within us may possess the ability to shape the subtle fabric of reality in ways that extend beyond our current scientific understanding. Part 4: Material in the Spiritual World. The following 5 points expand our understanding of the connection between spirituality and quantum mechanics. 1. Unity and interconnectedness. Quantum mechanics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything in the universe is interconnected. Particles can be entangled, and their behavior is intertwined regardless of distance. This notion of unity and interconnectedness aligns with spiritual teachings that emphasize the interconnected nature of all beings and the idea that we are all part of a larger whole. It supports the concept that separateness is an illusion and that we are all interconnected at a deeper level. 2. Consciousness and reality. The role of consciousness in quantum mechanics has been a subject of exploration and speculation. The act of observation or measurement in quantum experiments affects the outcome, leading to the collapse of the wave function. This has led to philosophical interpretations suggesting that consciousness and the observer play a fundamental role in the creation and manifestation of reality. This aligns with spiritual beliefs that consciousness is not merely a byproduct of physical processes but has the ability to shape and influence the world around us. 3. Non-dualistic nature of reality. Quantum mechanics challenges the classical notion of a clear separation between observer and observed. It reveals that the observer is intricately entangled with the system being observed. This non-dualistic nature of reality resonates with spiritual teachings that emphasize the interconnectedness of self and the external world, blurring the boundaries between the individual and the universe. It challenges the notion of a separate self and encourages a more holistic understanding of existence. 4. Quantum potentiality and infinite possibilities. Quantum mechanics describes a world of potentiality and probabilities. Before an observation or measurement, particles exist in a superposition of multiple states, and it is only upon measurement that a specific outcome is realized. This idea aligns with spiritual concepts that emphasize the existence of infinite possibilities and the power of choice and intention to shape our reality. It suggests that there are numerous paths and potentials available to us, and our conscious choices can influence the trajectory of our lives. 5. Beyond the material realm, quantum mechanics challenges the reductionist view that everything can be explained solely by physical matter and deterministic laws. It reveals the existence of phenomena that transcend classical concepts and cannot be fully understood through a purely materialistic framework. This opens up space for exploration and contemplation of realities and dimensions beyond the physical realm, which resonates with spiritual beliefs in transcendent states of consciousness, higher realms, and spiritual dimensions. It is important to reiterate that while these connections and interpretations can be thought-provoking and inspiring, they should be approached with caution. Quantum mechanics is a scientific theory with specific principles and mathematical formalisms, and its interpretations within the realm of spirituality are subjective and open to personal beliefs and perspectives. It is crucial to distinguish between scientific understanding and spiritual metaphors or philosophical speculations, allowing each domain to be appreciated and explored on its own terms. Conclusion. The intersection of quantum mechanics and spirituality offers a rich field for contemplation and exploration. While quantum mechanics provides a scientific framework to understand the behavior of particles and the fundamental nature of reality, spirituality offers a philosophical and metaphysical lens through which we can ponder the deeper meaning and interconnectedness of existence. The connections between the two realms, such as the notions of interconnectedness, consciousness, and the potential for human intention to influence quantum reality, invite us to reflect on the profound mysteries and possibilities that lie beyond the limits of our current scientific understanding. By embracing the beauty and complexity of both quantum mechanics and spirituality, we open ourselves to a deeper appreciation of the universe and our place within it. It is through this synthesis of knowledge and wisdom that we can embark on a journey of self-discovery, expanding our consciousness and connecting with the profound mysteries that await us in the quantum realm and the realms of the spirit. Well, my sweet God candies, I hope you've enjoyed listening and taking notes from this interesting discussion. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, remember that you are a sweet expression of God and that you deserve the best because you are the best.